now is till 8 o'clock.
8:30.
This is how it looks. So this is day 2 of the ride and everybody is so enthusiastic to get started. The plan for the day is to visit LOC, line of control, and then go to Leh. It's around 200 to 230 kilometers from Kargil to Leh. And this is the hotel that we're staying. And we're done with it. We're done with the packing. Bikes are ready and we're just about to leave. There's this village, Humrabad, right? So this is the last village in India, and over there's no more village. I mean, this is the road that leads to that village, and though there's sun that's coming up, but the temperature is not that hot. I mean, we're still experiencing the cold breeze that's happening here. So right now I am experiencing a very different terrain altogether. I mean, it's like all sandy sand dunes. The weather and the terrain doesn't at all match as of now. It might be around 10 degrees, I guess. Yes, I think it's around 10 to 15 degrees right here. Though it's very sunny, but still it's so cold. So the roads again, the roads. BRO has done a really excellent work. I mean, look at the roads and look at the terrain. And if I'm not wrong, I am around 3,000 meters above sea level. And if this is the road that I'm expecting, then it's like pure worth for the money that I'm putting. And over there it's all rocky. And over here it's all sand dunes and I don't know what's gonna come. But I am literally in the joyful moments right now because of the weather, because of the terrain, because of the beauty, the aesthetics and whatnot. I think if I'm not wrong, that's the wallpaper that Windows provides, or yeah, probably Windows or Mac, I'm not sure, but one of the operating system provides such wallpaper. The feel that you get when you get what you wanted since many days. I mean, I'm in that feel and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the moment. And I believe one shouldn't miss this moment at all.
nearing Namkila Pass, and we are in between this beautiful terrain and the clouds and drizzle, and the bikes are here. So we just stopped for the photos break, and that's the view. I mean, the best view one can get. We have been traveling from that point, so came like that. Just reached Fatula top, which is 13,400 feet. This is the highest point between Leh and Srinagar.
So right now we have started from Lamayuru, and we had wonderful lunch, and I in fact tried this thing called tuppa. So tuppa is nothing but noodles, and we have covered LSE in the morning. I mean, we have covered the Indo-Pakistan border. So it was a very privileged moment to cover the border part. I mean, it's like something very rare that happens, because me as a person who lives in Hyderabad, getting to border is something that's not so easy to do. So covering that thing as well in this trip makes my trip more worthy. So we are still on the way from Lamayur to Leh, and when anybody refers to Leh, all people remember is the clear blue sky that happens here, and which is filled with a very small amount of clouds, which lets the sky to be visible, and that's the view that I'm talking about. And the aesthetics here are filled with mountains, river, and clear sky, and then clouds. The best part. Crazy road here.
So we are at the magnetic hill. So this place is having a significance that people believe that the vehicles that come from there will actually climb this entire slope in neutral, but it didn't happen. So I didn't feel like it's worth coming to this place. I mean, even spending time, because it's not working. So moving on to Leh, and which is around 30 kilometers, and I hope we reach on time. So right now time is around 7 o'clock and sun is still out. With this view, so it's still 7 and then sun is still out. So hopefully we reach before the sunset.